Dad, good morning. How are you? Mr. Rahul. Happy Valentine's Day. God bless you, Dad. Love you so much. People feel somewhat embarrassment for to say I love you on the eve of February 14th. Yes, it's Valentine's. In between parents, in between siblings, in between kids, father to son. That's the reason we both are best friends more than that lovers. No? That's the reason I would like to extend my sincere wishes regarding this particular have. Yes, always. Love is very powerful, It's absolutely. Because of that particular word, that particular weapon, with the help of that particular substance, yes, we can create miracles. Because that, whether you possess such kind of a love with you on any other person, might be selfish, might be selfless, definitely gives you some kick to make your work successfully, to make your project grandfully, to make your destination in fine manner. Yeah, people, they are a little bit of innocence. That's the reason they feel somewhat disappointment to say, yeah, happy Valentine's Day look like that one. But I never go with that. It's really meticulous. I can say sincerely, this particular day definitely will give some boostings rather than gender difference, but always give some kick, always give some energy. Yeah, because love towards my profession, love towards school, love towards college, more than that, love towards students, really providing me the best boost. That's the reason I'm enjoying every day. Every day is a Valentine's Day for me. Yeah, your mom is my lover. Yes, I have led a very good life so far. Even still also I'm expecting the same thing. Reason, she knows very well. She's writing book of her life, but she knows very well tomorrow also will be good. Tomorrow also will be better. Tomorrow also will be fine. Reason, she knows who is going to be author of her life book. She knows very well. Definitely she can assess what particular page is going to come in front of her. Reason, she knows very well. The author is none other than Mr. Simhachalam Ali Krishna, not Hari Krishna, Ali Krishna. Yeah, she has really given beautiful, outstanding strength and support to me, confidence to me. That's the reason, by the grace of God, really I am enjoying my day, the minute, seconds, hours. Yeah, sometimes may get some disappointment, irritations. It's common, or else if they are not in that life, it will not give taste. Whether you want to cook any biryani, chicken 65, mutton. So we need all ingredients. Look like that one. Here also, we are going to have all particular things, Nana. Anyway, I feel very happy. Love is blind. Yeah, always, love is blind. Whose love is blind? Your mom and myself. Our both love towards is blind. That's the reason you can expect. Yeah, we have started loving you when you have started your journey in the womb of your mother, like your sister. Yeah, from that day onwards, still we are having the same length. It has increased, never decreased. But every parent will have the same concern and connectivity with their kids look like that. But we are a little bit more. That's the reason I'm expressing. Yeah, I'm having dare to express. I least bother about the remaining society, those who are going to throw stones, least bother about those things. Yes, అందుకే మేము కార్చే కన్నీరులో, ఎందుకంటే లవ్ ఈజ్ బ్లైండ్. మేము కార్చే కన్నీరులో 1% వాటర్ ఉంటే 99% ప్రేమే ఉంటుంది. నువ్వు తప్పకుండా సక్సెస్ అవుతావు. హ్యావ్ ఎ గ్రేట్ టైమ్ అండ్ గ్రేట్ జర్నీ డాడీ. లవ్ యూ సో మచ్. I have to say happy Valentine's Day and best February 14th. We have to accept that. Anyway, may God bless you. Have a wonderful time. Yes, it is a process. It is a sweet feel, not work. Yeah, it's a feel. Whether I go any particular place, or maybe either it is Shabarimala Yatra, train Yatra, bus Yatra, or maybe I'm going with my kids also. Yeah, I would like to make it happy and meaningful, because I would like to accept The beauty of the nature of the beauty. Might be so many people there in the nature. Definitely. Would like to lead. Always, whether you go and sit in gloomy mood, what is the use of that, right now? Yes. Have a great time. Have a great time. Wonderful day with you, my dear dad. And happy Valentine's Day, Ali. Have a nice time. God bless you. Dirga Sumangali Bhava. Thank you so much.